Hey, what's up? It's Vince from A Typical Driver. My kids told me that unboxing videos are really popular on YouTube, so that's what I figured we'd do today during lockdown because we can still get deliveries. Big shout out to FedEx, UPS, US Postal Service. I'll put a link to all you guys down below in the video description, even though you're not my sponsors, but you're just doing awesome work. I have a box here, and it is from Porsche, so let's go ahead and open it. All right, we've got a Porsche front splitter here. So this is a front spoiler or front splitter for a Porsche 911, the 991 model, and this is something that my philosophy on these is that splitters are something that are made to take some abuse. So they're kind of a consumable item like your brakes or your tires. There's something that is gonna wear out over time because you're gonna hit curbs, you're gonna go down steep driveways and scrape it up. And so it does need to be replaced from time to time. And it was due to replace mine. So again, not terribly exciting, but very useful. So really, I've got to hand it to Porsche for designing these in an extremely smart way. And they did three things that are really helpful and thoughtful about how they design their front splitters. First of all, they designed it out of the right material. They made it out of a high-density polyethylene material, which is a plastic that has a little bit of flex to it and has some give, which is great because then if you hit something or you scrape something, it's not going to shatter or fracture like if it were something really stiff and rigid. Carbon fiber, fiberglass, those things tend to crack when you hit them and they don't have that kind of give. So it's made out of a good material. That's the first thing. Second thing is the price. Porsche knows that these are going to need to be replaced from time to time. So a replacement one costs about $190. I got mine from Suncoast Porsche. I'll put the link in the video description down below. Again, $190 for something that's gonna, you maybe have to replace every 5 years or more, not really that terrible. And then the third thing that Porsche did that's really helpful for do-it-yourselfers like me is they made this really easy to install. You can see it's got these little clips along here, and these just push into the bumper and just snap in, so you don't even need any tools to really replace this, and it can be done just in a matter of minutes. All right, let's go to the garage and I'll show you exactly how easy and simple this is to install. All right, so we're down here in the garage, and as you can see, this is pretty straightforward. We got the new splitter there. Sorry, I actually did not take video of getting the old splitter off, and I actually have already given it away to a friend who was gonna use it for another purpose. So I don't have that, but I will demonstrate just how easy it is to put this one on. You can see the little grooves that the clips go into, and the clips along the splitter there. So again, pretty simple. All right, so we're just gonna put these little clips into their slots and push these into place. Now there's one in the corner you don't wanna miss here. Make sure that that goes in the right location as well. And there we go. Nice, good looking new splitter. Hope you enjoyed my first ever unboxing video. I hope it was as riveting as you expected it to be. Personally, it was nice to get something done on the car that I've been meaning to do for a while that I could still safely do during the lockdown, during the quarantine. So thanks for watching. Hope you're all doing well. Stay safe, wash your hands. Until next time, take it easy.